Okay, so today is day 6 of the last time we saw someone who tested positive to having COVID, so we had to get our hands on rapid tests. As you know, at the moment, like especially in Australia, I don't know about the rest of the world, they're very hard. They're very hard to come by. So we had some friends who managed to get us a 2-pack. So me and Matt are going to do them. Obviously, Leo's not allowed to because he's too little.
Yeah.
So this is mine, a little test. So you do the nasal swab and then you put it in a liquid and then you put it on here, and then you get given a UV light.
Not as bad how they test us.
No,
that's worse.
Definitely right. And then you have to have the T line is the test line, and then the C line. So if 2 lines is positive, 1's obviously negative. So I'm not feeling very great. Not gonna lie, I had a sore throat.
I had a headache all day yesterday. And today, like a big headache.
Yeah, all right.
Sore throat's kind of going away though, but now you got it.
I'm really hoping that you get to go to the gym tomorrow.
So 2 lines, that's 2 lines, isn't it?
Yeah, guys.
Ah.
Matt's still positive, as you can see the 2 lines just there.
Oh, yep, I knew
Alright,
it.
so
I knew it.
okay.
I knew it. I wasn't feeling 100%.
Doesn't matter if I test negative, we still have to stay home anyway, but I tested positive too.
Another week. Did you? Oh,
2 lines.
Of course you would have, because like, yeah, I'll be surprised if you didn't test a positive now.
Yeah, so that means now we have to stay home for another 6 days.
Yeah, good COVID. The COVID house. He wants to come. He wants to live with us. Yeah, that sucks. What do we do now?
I guess
Just
you
sweating.
just... It's hot. It's
Yeah, I
like
reckon
36 degrees here.
It is hot
I know,
now.
it's so hot.
Oh, well, there you go, guys. We got COVID, but it's like 53,000 cases in New South Wales. We live in Victoria, but
It was actually 50,000 in Victoria. New South haven't hit 50
Oh,
yet,
it's
but
us.
they're close.
yeah. So eventually we're gonna have to. We knew we were gonna get it one time, at least once in our life. So there we go. At least we got it down, not
Guess what?
down the track. Like
More
I don't
home
know.
workouts.
Yeah, more home workouts continue.
The white shit on your ass. like a hobo, but you get the point. We're at home, and Daddy's on the treadmill.
Yo.
Home ISO. Hello, baby. Leo is playing with his piano while Dad gets his pre-warm up.
Cardio burn in, right?
That cardio in. And it's absolutely shit house here today. And this is the world out there.
Well, it's actually raining today.
I know it never rains here, but it's actually raining today. I actually think we're gonna get a storm. Isn't that right, Leo son? And our cat's hiding under our son's bed, of course. Let's see what footage we can get in today.
Got some wax in the ear.
He's got some vomit in the side of his mouth too.
Wait.
Bleh.
What's she doing?
Bleh.
What's she laughing to?
Hey? Not yet. We'll do that later. Hey, you want to go swimming? Let's go to the pool. Let's go to the pool. We'll get our practice in before we go to the big pool. Yeah? Bit hot today, isn't it? Not really good at filming one arm, but I'll try my best. Could grab it like that, but then my hand's in the way. I want it straight. Oh, there we go. Bit bright out here, isn't it? Bit bright. Oh, hang on. Let's see if I can hold like this. There we go. Hey, what's that? Jump in the pool. That's our pool. That's our mini pool. Not bad for a home, isn't it?
That's it.
Ready?
Is it hot?
Oh, actually, I'll check.
Put the phone down.
It was actually nice.
Yeah, I know, but...
Ready? Woo! Boom.
Leah, you good? You're good. You're good. Did you enjoy the pool? Yeah? Look buggered now, don't you? Might need a nap soon. So I can party all night. Yeah? Have a nap now so I can party all night, yeah? Isolation. Just enjoy my turkey. Lean turkey. And oats. Mix of cocoa powder, mixed berries, a little bit of light milk.
Squeeze. All the way down. 3. All the way down. 4. 5. A side shot. 6. 7. 8. So you don't want to do this. Easy as fuck doing it that way. Don't do that. Strict. There you have it. Yeah, day 9 at home, working out. Well, isolation. We found out a few days ago we got COVID. But yeah, so I've done back, I did pull-ups, close grip pull-ups. I don't record everything because I don't want my videos to be too long. It's long enough as it is. So close grip pull-up, I just tell you what I've done. All right, I tell you guys what I've done. So close grip pull-ups. And then I moved on to barbell bent over underhand grip row for your lats. Last time I done it, I did bent over overhand grip pulling high for my upper back. So I just change it up, different angles.
So yeah, close grip pull-ups, underhand bent over barbell rows, pulling to my waist, my belly button to hit the lats. What else did I do? I did incline, one arm at a time, high rows. And then I did a lat pull down outside. And then I've done dumbbell pullovers for the stretch, some treadmill walk. And then I did, then I'm up to biceps. So barbell bicep curls. And then I'll move on to concentration curls, singles. Then some hammer curls. Then some rear delts. So bent over rear delt raise. Now do some shrugs for traps. So my workouts are quite decent. I do miss a gym, but it's quite decent. I'm not feeling too bad, to be honest. Like, ooh, headache, sore throat, but not that bad. I hear a lot of people having it a lot worse than us. So back to it. So this is pretty much what we've been doing. 2 weeks and, well, it hasn't been 2 weeks yet, 10 days so far. I've been working out, playing some PlayStation, cleaning up around the house, just chilling out, enjoying the family time while I can. Alright guys, second treadmill session for today. It is a rest day, so I've been doing 90 minutes on my rest day since isolation, since we had COVID really. So this is day 10, being at home. Almost out. We get out Sunday. Today is Wednesday. So as I said, today's a rest day. I normally only do 60 minutes on my day off from weights, but I've been doing 90 minutes just because there's just an easier way to keep my steps, my activity up, because stuck at home, right? Many of you guys know what it's like. You know, if you're used to working, walking, doing activities, you know, since being stuck at home, your activity has dropped a lot. So still continuing to work out, still continuing to do more walks. So yeah, day 10. So I've worked out the first 2 days I didn't train at all. And then day 3, I did legs. Day 4, push. Day 5, pull. Day 6, off. Day 7, legs. Day 8, push. Day 9, pull, which was yesterday, and today's off again. And then Thursday will be legs, then Friday, push. Saturday, pull. Sunday off, and then I'm back to the gym Monday, which will be legs. So I'm getting, on average, my Apple Watch said 11,000 steps. I normally get about 14,000 steps, so which is good. It's only, according to that, it's roughly 150 calories left through steps. But I'm on an incline as well, so I'm actually getting more out of my steps. So pretty much I'm hitting roughly the same calorie burn or activity per average in a week. So I'm doing pretty good. Oh yeah, so I forgot to mention that I did a 7-day diet break. It was meant to be about 3 days, but it turned out to be 7. Nothing wrong with that in a way. It's just extra calories to make me heal, recover faster, you know, by having COVID, right? So on day 6, we found out we had COVID. I think it was day 5 or day 6 when we tested on the rapid test. I'm still waiting to get my other test results back. So, yeah, so 7-day diet break. So today's Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I will start my reverse diet. So I don't count. So next Wednesday will be 12 weeks of dieting total, all up. I don't count the days or half a week or whatever. Yeah, I don't count the days when I wasn't dieting. So a total next week will be probably 14 weeks when I started, but as I said, 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks I wasn't dieting out of those whole 14 and a half weeks. So I don't count that. So next week will be 12 weeks of just dieting. Does that make sense? So I'm probably gonna end the video here. It's probably been about 25 minutes or longer, so I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and thank you for watching this, you know, COVID video, isolation video, what do you want to call it. See you in the next video.